Next, let's move to the confusion matrix. Let me write that down so keep everything neat. So 9.2, choose the confusion matrix. Let's pull this up and then explain what is the confusion matrix. So the confusion matrix is a table used to evaluate the performance of a classification model. It shows how many instances or example of each class were predicted correctly and incorrectly by the model. So the matrix has the following structure. It has the, let's print the, then we can talk about what each of these present as a number. So you just can simply, write print, then we'll call the confusion matrix. Okay, now we'll take it on our y test data set and the y preds. So it compares the y test, the test data set that our model hasn't seen before, compared to the y preds, which we just predicted preds. Now let's see it, the y preds. Now let's see what would the results look like. Okay. Let's try to visualize it so, we can, make it more visual and easy to understand. Start with visualizing it. Let's first port. If you recall that we had Seaborn library to help us visualize our tables, Seaborn as SNS. So S set will set it to the font scale. Make that equal to 1.5 to make it, more readable. Font size. Then let's now, do a function to plot our mat. Okay, and the y test and our y preds dataset. Let's now set the, the figure size and plot PLT, and let's put some, subplots. That's equal. So let's make 3 by 3. Next, let's set the, it has to equal to our Seaborn to print us the heat map, confusion matrix, on the y-test, and y-bread's dataset. Let's add the mutate anode, make it as true. The C bar is equal to false. Okay, let's set also some, some labels. So X label. We also have, let's set the true labels on the, okay, y label dot y label. True labels here has to be true label. Next, what do we have? Already closed this one. Now let's call the one. Okay, test y breads. Now let's call the what plt dot show function. Just confirm what issue we're doing here. So fig size